seen the famous State Opera House of Vienna, the Imperial Palace, which walks to the city, and in about 2.5 hours we'll end at St. Stephen's Cathedral, downtown Vienna. Hopefully I can give you some tips what to do for the rest of the day, or for the rest of the
Tour
night.
guide. Okay, so ayan, mahaba pa siya. Hindi ko sila makausap kasi wala din naman akong sasabihin.
Kailangan mo mag-warm up sa kanila kasi yung iba kasi
Ano?
kailangan mo mag-warm up muna sa kanila kasi yung iba ayaw
Magano?
i-warm up mo muna kaya kilalanin mo muna sila.
Ayaw magba-video.
Yung iba.
Well,
Iba nga ayaw magpa-picture, di ba?
kaya nga. Pero wala akong masyadong time.
Nakita mo naman sila. Yan.
Kasi I'm leaving in after tomorrow. So ano to? So here is what is this? Guys, hindi ako naroon makapag-friends. Paano ba makipag-usap sa tao? Sorry na. Ang ganda tingnan mo. Yung nakikita ko lang sa Google. Sana pwede ko ma-zoom. Ang ganda niya. So we're going there. We're just going to cross. Asan sila? Opera.
Vienna is the second biggest German city after Berlin. People living here.
Ang ganda. There is the Albertina. Tapos, I think we're going to the parliament something. Ang ganda. I'm liking Vienna. Kasi na siya. Okay. Alam mo, nakita ko to sa YouTube. Oo, sakto. Ito pala, yung daan pala dito yun.
How is the situation when you're going back?
It's so good. Very nice. I like the buildings.
Joseph Square.
Joseph
On his
Square.
horse.
We are going to enter the palace. I don't know what palace. What palace? Do you know?
The royal.
Oh, okay. Look. Wow. Hindi ba napunta na tayo dito? Ito. Wow. Amazing. So magical. Grabe pala yung architecture din ng Vienna. Look at that. Look at that. Tapos maraming silang kabayo lagi. This is what I saw on Google. I research. Yeah. So amazing. Very, very amazing. So we have this group, and they have their group. So many tourists here. Well, it's a very nice place. Look at this gate. Where are they? Bakit ang baho? Ang ganda pero ang baho.
They cross the street, their way up there.
Ganda pala ng building na to. Ano tawag dito? Ang ganda mo, Vienna. Hey guys, I met a friend here. She is from London and her name is... Is it okay for you to visually meet you? She graduated in London.
Yes,
so-
I just graduated uni and I live in London now. So
And you're from?
I'm from Malaysia.
Yeah, Malaysia. So, nagtutour-tour siya kasi why not, di ba? Malapit lang siya. Wow, ang ganda nun. It's so nice there. I like this, yung mga narrow na ganito. Ay, sorry, nagtatagalog ako. She's Malaysian, I'm sorry. That is epic. Also in Glasgow, right?
Yeah.
Wow, wow, wow.
Well, may complaint sa akin. Oh.
Sino?
Yan. Ako tingin ko lang yung weather.
Ha?
Tingin ko lang yung weather. Hindi madami.
Oo nga. Tama.
Kung ko magbili, wala ko na nilagay sa maleta. Kasi 25 kilos ang baga.
25 kilos. Alam mo ba yung sa akin kung ilan?
Ah.
7.
Ipadala ko kayong bagahe ko sa yung iba.
7 nga eh.
Alam na balik mo ito sa Austria.
Akalain mo yun, hindi ako nag-over 7.5 kasi nung nasa airport. Sobrang konti lang talaga ng dala ko.
Kasi meron ka pang check-in, di ba?
Ha? Hindi ako nag-check-in.
I mean, meron kang allowed na check-in.
Oo,
like
pero hindi ako
25.
nag-ganun.
Kaya nga. Alam mo, ako 20, ay may 5 guys. I like
Asan? Mahal yan, di ba? Bakit?
Okay lang.
Hindi kasi may ganyan sa Dubai, pero hindi ako nakain kasi parang pricey siya.
Oo. Fried compare mo sa... Kasi iba naman yung lasa ng burger nila.
Oh boy, wow, this is it.
Ang ganda lang yun. Dahil kung makikita mo may apapicture.
Oh.
Ganda siya, di ba? Parang ganyan din yung sa Barcelona nakita mo.
Yung La Sagrada, pero mas maganda yun. Oo nga, at saka mas mataas yun. Ay, grabe. Ibang klase. Na-amaze na ako. Ano pa naman to wala pa yung Sagrada Familia.
Ang Spain, maganda rin yung kanyang mga architecture.
True. Sagrada Familia nga di ba?
Church yun, may bayad yun. 13 euro ata yung entrance sa 15.
Pumasok ka.
Oo, before. Siyempre, pag mga ganyan, pumupunta ako kasi what's the use of coming na hindi mo naman.
Ako hindi.
Luka-luka ko.
Kung may time lang. Kasi okay naman ako sa labas eh.
Maganda ang loob.
Mas maganda ang labas. So I guess this is the last stop for the walking tour, which is worth it. So Vienna, you are so worth it. I love that I get to be here. Amazing. Oh boy, look at that. Totoo ba yun? Is that really that? Look at that. Ang ganda pala dito. No? Ang daming restaurant. Tapos, pag-check out lang.
Okay,
Yun na yun.
pero just laba dito ka na lang.
Yeah, here we are
Okay.
at the end of our tour. Finally arrived at tour. Most famous, most important cathedral built
Amazing.
within 300 years. That's a much construction. From the early 13th century, this was a small wooden chapel over here.
Okay, so there is the St. Stephen's Cathedral. At meron nagtuplay. Hi! Ang ganda. And this is just my first day. Reminds me of like the Westminster Palace because there's a lot of details. There is the Vienna Cathedral. So we went inside. Ang ganda niya din sa loob. So ang daming tao dito. Tingnan mo yun. Yung mga restaurant din kasi. Uwi na ako kasi hindi pa ako nakakapag-check-in. Kasi nga alas 2 daw. And right now it's I think 1:55. So kailangan ko na bumalik kasi lowbat na din yung other battery ng GoPro ko. Tingnan mo tong building na. Ganda yun eh. Kailangan ko na mag-check-in. Yung dalawang nakilala ko, iniwan ko na kasi ano pa sila. Naka-check-in na sila. Magka-hostel kami pero kahapon pa sila. Yung isa Pinay, yung isa Malaysian. Tingnan mo. I think this is like the Oxford Street of Vienna. Yung shopping street nila. Huh? Kasi ang daming shops. At maganda siya kasi maluwag. So, yeah. Actually, meron akong unlimited na train ng metro. But, hindi ko kasi alam kung asan yung station from here. So, yun. Hindi ko alam kung paano sasakay or paano pupunta sa hostel. Pero maganda naman kasi yung view. So, sige lang. Carry lang. So, we're here at the, I think this is the Opera House of Vienna. I hope I'm not lost. Kasi dinire-diretso ko lang yung shopping street. And now, I'm not sure kung asan na yung hostel. Medyo nalito na ako. Pero, walking distance lang yun eh. Kaya lang kanina pa kami naglalakad. So, I'm very exhausted na din yung pa ako talaga. Just your fatigue eh. Dapat wala. Dinownload ko yung map ng train nila. Para alam ko pagsakay ng ng train. Wait lang. Tumawid ako. Hindi ko man kung saan ako pupunta. So I guess I'll just try to find out kung saan na yun. Wish me luck.